Tornado right next to the road! Tornado!
Holy crap, it's right there.
It's right here.
It's in these trees.
It's gonna be huge. Look at it spin.
Keep going.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was that close.
Yeah, it's right here.
It's really close.
It's right in those trees.
Was.
Condensation was right on the ground.
Yeah, it was right on the ground on the other side of the trees. Still got a nice lowering in there.
South of Minneapolis.
Oh my God, yeah.
Look on the ground. I think I see,
Oh yeah, I see debris on the ground.
Debris! We have debris!
The truncated cone.
Still on the ground. You can see the debris over there kicking up once in a while.
One of the day.
It's right there, tornado. Go ahead. Just go right up here and stop. Tornado! Right here at the gravel road. Let's just stop. Why isn't somebody reporting this? Tornado right on the ground, right there. Okay, just pull up on the gravel right here and let's stop and watch. Tornado! Everybody's getting one day. You know what? Let's go up on the hill. Well, we have a good road to turn on. Wow, look at this thing. Look at this mezzo just churning away. Let's go a little quicker, Tom. We can get up here and watch. Right up on top of the hill and stop. Well, we have right over the very crest of the hill. We can watch it go across the road. Excellent. Oh, this is going to be a huge tornado.
More?
Perfect. Right here. Let's just stop right here. Debris on the ground over there. Debris on the ground. Tornado. Tornado!
Man, that thing is spinning. It's spinning hard.
Mitch, where's Mitch?
She's in the back of our van. She's coming out.
Crossing the road right in front of us here.
that is spinning hard.
Yes, indeed, that is.
Look at how fast it's. I don't think I've ever seen it spin that fast.
Wow.
Look at it spin. Spin it, baby. Oh, that Jesus. You're getting it right here. Oh, yeah. No, I'll point it over at a tree.
Is that cool or what? Huh? Mark, that's better than the other one. Yeah. Look at that thing spin.
That thing is really spinning hard.
Not hard ever. Here it comes.
The birth of a beast right there.
Here we go.
Look at that. Oh, debris right there. We're still going to have to go back to the main road in a second and go farther east to stay with this thing.
I did zoom in and then I backed it up.
It's gonna be a big one here.
Yeah, it's gonna. This is gonna wedge out.
Yeah, it's really gonna be a big one.
You can see a
Hey, can you guys turn the vans around? Let's get ready to go.
Yep.
Wow, this is going to be a very significant tornado.
Wanna do this?
Look at all the motion.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the motion above us.
Look out. Yeah, we're going to flip it around and get out of here.
Mike, we're never gonna.
Mitch, your tornado jinx is gone.
That freaked me out when I saw how close to the road it was.
I know, I didn't
spin it because I was looking way down there.
I was looking way in the distance, but we
Oh, look at that.
It's hauling up too.
This thing is gathering. Look at it.
Oh, is that another one back?
No, that's the only one. That's
circulation.
This is going to be a significant tornado. Look at that.
Look, it's coming down.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna get it's gonna get away from us.
Okay. Well, Well, we definitely saw it before. Right.
It was certainly been on the ground.
Oh yeah, that thing was spinning up and stuff.
Oh, it's been on the ground a couple of times. You can see when it
I
comes
bet
to
it is
red.
right now too. We just
Yeah.
can't see it.
Yeah, I agree.
Gang, I hate to say this, but we're gonna have to get down the road, or we'll lose this forever. Maybe it's done. There, that's the first one though.
No, it's
That is the first one.
still got a tail coming down.
Yeah.
Just kind of boot back up.
Yeah, it's about done, but that's still a very powerful mezzo in there. There's still got a funnel in there, definitely. Oh, look at this rotation in that.
No, it rubs out like
sneaking
that. I've
around.
never
Wow,
seen
nice
that
rope
before
out.
like that, have you?
Oh, wow.
See, I've never seen that. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Wow. See it, man?
Nice tornado, man. Wow.
This thing's weakening. The mezzo's about croaked. This is just the beginning though. No, we weren't getting anywhere here. Wow, we were actually really close to that.